comes first.
Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead. Her forecast never more than 10 minutes away, and boy, did we have one gorgeous weekend this weekend.
Yes, it is going to be a pretty nice day today as well. A little bit warmer, a little bit muggy, but sunshine and highs in the mid-80s, so it should be a good day.
Yeah, it could have been the best weekend of the year.
Really? Yes,
Yeah,
it was a nice weekend. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are going to see temperatures rise to the mid-80s today. We are around the upper 50s to low 60s here this morning, so just a little bit chilly, but we are dry. This is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Not expecting any rain today, but a few scattered showers do come in overnight and for the day tomorrow. It is going to be a pleasant day. Nice day to get outside, enjoy that sunshine. Warmer weather does return for the middle of this week. I'm talking about high temperatures near 90 and in the low 90s once again with humid conditions. And our next chance of rain does look to be tomorrow with a few scattered showers. As for today, though, we are expecting sunshine, a light breeze, and highs reaching the mid-80s. And I will be talking a little bit more about the warmer weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. State police say
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are going to be seeing a pretty nice day today with sunshine and highs in the mid-80s. Let's take a look now at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are starting out with clear skies this morning, and it is a little bit chilly with temperatures ranging in the upper 50s to low 60s, but we are dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions for today with the chance of some scattered showers overnight tonight into tomorrow due to another cold front moving through. But today, sunshine is expected, just a slight breeze outside. It's going to be a pretty nice day. And this cold front that is looking to move through tomorrow looks to be weak, so just expecting a few scattered showers with peaks of sunshine, not really any significant rainfall. According to our temperatures this morning, we are in the 50s to 60s. We have 59 degrees in Dowdesville and Little Falls and 63 degrees in Whitesboro. Looking to the south, we have 57 degrees in Hamilton and 59 degrees in Norwich and Skenevis this morning. We will rise to the mid-80s today. It is going to be pretty warm, and it also is going to be a little bit muggy. So today our high temperatures are going to be in the mid-80s. As that cold front moves through tomorrow, we will drop in temperature just a little bit into the upper 70s, but it really starts to get hot again in the middle of the week, specifically Wednesday and Thursday. Near 90 on Wednesday and in the low 90s on Thursday. We are keeping an eye out on Thursday because it is going to be humid as well. Not really cooling down that much for the weekend. We will still be in the mid to upper 80s as we head into the end of the week and into the weekend. It also is going to get humid towards the end of the week. Muggy conditions for today and tomorrow. It will be a lot more comfortable on Wednesday after the cold front moves through tomorrow, but it really starts to get humid heading into Thursday and Friday. It's going to be hot as well, so keep that in mind towards the end of the week. If you wanted to grill, perfect day today and Wednesday. We are going to be seeing sunshine on both of those days. I'm only saying maybe for tomorrow because scattered showers are possible, especially in the morning hours. Let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. Today we are expecting mostly sunny skies. It's going to be a pretty nice day with high temperatures reaching the mid to upper 80s. Tonight some clouds start to build in. A few isolated showers are possible as this weaker cold front moves through. And tomorrow we will be cooler with highs just in the upper 70s and a few showers, especially in the morning and afternoon, looking to clear out by the evening. Heading into Wednesday, it does start to warm up just a little bit. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies once again on Wednesday. High temperatures look to reach the upper 80s. As for today, though, we will be in the mid-80s, just a slight breeze, and sunshine is expected throughout the day. A buildup of clouds overnight, and then a few showers are expected with a low in the upper 60s. Scattered showers are possible, especially tomorrow morning and afternoon, but otherwise peaks of sunshine here and there, a little bit cooler. We really start to get warm on Wednesday and hot on Thursday ahead of a cold front, bringing in some thunderstorms Thursday evening. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some dogs and
Welcome back. It is going to be dry today with sunshine, a pretty nice day in store, but a cold front looks to come in overnight tonight. It is going to be weak, so just a few scattered showers are possible tomorrow morning and early afternoon. Sunshine looks to come in tomorrow evening. Wednesday, we will be seeing sunshine once again with another cold front approaching for Thursday evening. Scattered thunderstorms are possible Thursday evening. With that, the humidity looks to increase as we head into the end of the week. It is going to be a little bit muggy today and tomorrow, comfortable on Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday it is going to get humid again as that cold front continues to pass through. But today is going to be a pretty nice day to spend outside, maybe go on the boat, go to the beach. Mostly sunny skies are expected with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. President Biden tested. It is 5:30. I'm Gary Lubitor, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead. And boy, we could not have asked for a better weekend, so how about a great Monday as well?
Yes, it is going to be a nice day outside, a little bit warmer with highs in the mid 80s, but we are going to be seeing sunshine, so that's a good thing.
Boy, this nice summer just keeps rolling along.
Yes, it does.
That's for sure.
So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are a little cool to start in the upper 50s and low 60s. We will rise to the mid to upper 80s for the high temperature today, and it is going to be mostly sunny, so a nice day to spend outside. This is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions for today, but there is a chance of showers that come in overnight tonight into early tomorrow. But today is going to be nice and pleasant, a little bit muggy, but sunshine is expected, highs in the mid 80s. A cold front moves through tonight. It is going to be weak though, so just a few scattered showers are possible overnight tonight and into the early afternoon hours of tomorrow. But otherwise, the sun is going to be peeking out in between these showers, and warmer weather returns for the middle of the week. I'm talking temperatures in the upper 80s and in the low 90s, so we will keep an eye out on that for the heat. But as for today, we are going to be pretty comfortable with highs in the mid 80s and seeing sunshine, and then we'll be talking a little bit more about that warmer weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Veterans exposed to toxic burn pits while serving their country.
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking sunshine expected for today with high temperatures reaching the mid 80s. Let's take a look now at our Cavie tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are starting out with partly cloudy skies this morning. It is a little bit chilly with temperatures ranging in the upper 50s to low 60s, but we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and are expecting dry conditions through today with a chance of a few scattered showers coming in tonight into early tomorrow morning. That is going to be due to a weaker cold front, so not really expecting any significant rainfall tomorrow, just a few scattered showers in the morning and early afternoon. But for tomorrow evening, the sunshine will return, and we are going to be seeing sunshine today, a very pleasant day in store with just a slight breeze outside. As for this morning, temperatures are in the 50s to 60s. We have 58 degrees in Big Moose and 63 degrees in Utica and Whitesboro. Looking to the south, we have 57 degrees in Hamilton and in Sherburne this morning. Once again, high temperatures look to reach the mid 80s today. We will cool down a little bit tomorrow due to that cold front moving through, but still pretty warm with temperatures right near 80. We do get hot as we head into the middle of the week on Wednesday and Thursday. It also is going to start to get really humid on Thursday, so we are going to keep an eye out on Thursday. Heat index values are expected to be pretty high, and as a cold front moves through Thursday evening, bringing some thunderstorms, it doesn't really look to warm down that much. Temperatures are still going to be in the mid 80s as we head into the end of the week and into the weekend. It also is going to be a little bit humid heading towards the end of the week. So today and tomorrow, just a little bit muggy, more comfortable on Wednesday as a cold front moves through tomorrow, but the humidity really makes a return on Thursday and Friday and into the weekend. And Thursday is when it's going to be really hot, so heat index values could be pretty high. If you did want to spend some time outside, maybe grill, I would definitely say yes for today and Wednesday, maybe for tomorrow due to scattered showers, but the scattered showers look to remain in the morning hours. Let's take a look at everything on the SkyCast. As for today, we will be seeing sunshine and high temperatures reaching the mid to upper 80s, with just a slight breeze outside. Tonight, some clouds will come in. A few scattered showers are possible overnight and into the morning hours of tomorrow due to a weaker cold front. front, but as we head into the evening hours, those scattered showers look to die down. We look to see a few peaks of sunshine. Heading into Wednesday, it does start to get a little bit warmer. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies and high temperatures reaching the upper 80s. As for today, though, we will be in the mid 80s for the high temperature, just a slight breeze, and we will be seeing mostly sunny skies. Tonight, some clouds will build in and a few showers are possible in the overnight hours. Scattered showers continue for tomorrow into the morning and early afternoon, but sunshine looks to come back in on Wednesday. We really start to warm up Wednesday and Thursday. A cold front moves through Thursday evening, bringing some thunderstorms. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Christmas came.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing sunny skies for this afternoon. If you are going to be heading outside, definitely recommend wearing sunscreen, especially between the hours of noon and 3. That is when the UV index is going to be the highest. It will be at a level 7 for today. It is going to be just a little bit breezy today and tomorrow. Winds calm down heading into Wednesday, and the breeze picks up again on Thursday ahead of a cold front that is going to be moving through Thursday evening, bringing in a few thunderstorms. It also is going to get hot as we head into the middle of the week on Wednesday and on Thursday. So for today, it will be a little bit muggy with temperatures in the mid 80s, so moderate setting. It will be a little bit cooler tomorrow, highs in the upper 70s, and Wednesday and Thursday really gets hot again, highs near 90 and in the low 90s. We'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. With the extreme heat, our Lipitor meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now to help us all plan our Monday ahead. And boy, if we look back at the weekend, we could not have a bigger smile on our faces. It was beautiful.
Yes, it was a nice weekend, and it is going to be a little bit warmer today, but still nice with sunshine, so it will be a good day.
Let the good times roll.
Yes. So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are in the upper 50s and low 60s this morning. We are looking to rise to the mid 80s. It is going to be just a little bit muggy, but sunshine is expected. Overall, a pretty pleasant day. We are going to remain dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're not really expecting any rain up until tomorrow. So today is going to be a very pleasant day. Make sure you spend time outside. A weak cold front moves through tonight and tomorrow morning. So a few showers are possible, especially in the earlier hours of tomorrow. But we are going to still be seeing peaks of sunshine in between those showers, not looking to see any significant rainfall. After tomorrow, it will start to get warm once again with high temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s. As for today, though, we will be seeing high temperatures in the mid 80s, a little bit muggy with sunshine and a slight breeze. And then we'll be talking about those warmer temperatures coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. State police say a
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking a pretty nice day in store for today with high temperatures reaching the mid 80s. Let's take a look now at our Rapido Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing some clouds to start this morning, but sunshine is expected throughout the day. Once again, high temperatures reaching the mid 80s. Taking a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions in our viewing area. It is looking to remain dry today with some showers coming in overnight and for early tomorrow. As for today, though, sunshine is expected and just a slight breeze outside. It still is a little bit muggy ahead of a cold front that is going to be moving through tonight. But the cold front is going to be weak, not bringing any significant rainfall. We will just be seeing a few scattered showers overnight and into the earlier hours of tomorrow. It is a bit cool to start, according to our sky watchers. We have 56 degrees in Old Forge, 60 degrees in Clinton, and 57 degrees in Westdale. Looking to the south, we have 59 degrees in Milford, Hartwick, and Emerson this morning. Once again, we will reach the mid 80s for today. As this cold front moves through tonight, we will drop in temperature a little bit tomorrow with highs in the upper 70s, but we warm right back up for the middle of the week. Highs near 90 on Wednesday and in the low 90s on Thursday. It also gets humid on Thursday, so we are keeping an eye out on that. We are going to be seeing high heat index values. A cold front moves through Thursday evening. evening. That drops the temperature a little bit for the rest of the weekend into the weekend, but we will still be remaining in the 80s. As for today and tomorrow, it is going to be just a little bit muggy. A cold front moves through tomorrow. That will bring us comfortable dew points for Wednesday. Once again, it does get very humid towards the end of the week, and that is what it's going to make it feel very, very hot, especially for Thursday. But overall, today is going to be a pretty nice day. I would say yes for grilling. Wednesday is going to be nice too, just a little bit warm. But tomorrow, I would just say maybe, because a few scattered showers are possible. Let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. As for today, sunshine is expected, just a slight breeze. High temperatures reach the mid-80s. Tonight, we will see some clouds move in, a few scattered showers overnight and into the early afternoon hours of tomorrow. It does look to clear out a little bit tomorrow evening. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s. Heading into Wednesday, we do look to dry out. Partly cloudy skies are expected, and it does get warmer with highs in the upper 80s. As for today, though, we will be in the mid-80s. Just a slight breeze. It will feel a little bit muggy outside with sunshine, but overall, pretty nice day in store. And as for tonight, those clouds start to build in and rain showers are possible. Tomorrow, a cold front moves through, especially in the morning, so scattered showers are possible in the morning and early afternoon. A little bit cooler. Wednesday gets warm, but it will be comfortable in terms of humidity. It gets very hot and humid once again on Thursday, with some thunderstorms coming in Thursday evening. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some dogs and
Welcome back. We are going to remain dry today with a few scattered showers moving in overnight into tomorrow due to a weaker cold front moving through, but not significant rain is expected at this time. We will dry out once again for Wednesday, and another cold front will approach Thursday evening, bringing in some scattered thunderstorms. Today and tomorrow is going to feel a little bit muggy outside. Once this cold front moves through tomorrow, we will get comfortable once again for Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday will really start to get humid again. And that will bring the heat index value up for both of those days. But as for today, we are going to be very nice. We are expecting sunshine. High temperatures reach the mid to upper 80s. Just a slight breeze outside, so it is going to be a very nice day today. Make sure to get outside and enjoy it. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. President Biden tested positive. It is 7 a.m. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Monday morning to get us started. And she begins us with some good, very hot news right off the press, right?
Yes, it is going to be warm today and pleasant with sunshine, so it is a good thing. We'll reach the mid-80s today. Pretty nice day.
A warm one.
Yes, so let's take a look now. If you are heading out the door this morning, it is partly cloudy with temperatures in the 60s, but we will be seeing sunshine in the afternoon. Highs reaching the mid-80s. It is just going to be a little bit muggy today and a slight breeze outside, but a pretty nice day overall. And tonight, an increase in clouds is expected with a few showers overnight. Back to you, Gary.
State police say a Parrish man has died from an...
Welcome back. Here's a live look at our Cooperstown camera. We are tracking partly cloudy skies this morning, but sunshine is expected today with high temperatures reaching the mid-80s. We are also going to remain dry. It is going to be a pretty pleasant day with a few scattered showers coming back in overnight and for the morning and afternoon hours of tomorrow due to a weak cold front moving through. No significant rainfall is expected at this time. We do dry out on Wednesday again before some more scattered thunderstorms move in Thursday evening due to another cold front. As for today, we will reach the mid-80s. It is going to be pretty warm with sunshine, and tonight clouds will start to come in and a few showers are possible. Back to you, Gary.
Some dogs and puppies that were...
Welcome back. We are tracking a nice day in store for today with sunshine and highs in the mid-80s. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions this morning and for today. We are expecting some rain showers to come in tomorrow. Today is going to be pleasant with sunshine and dry conditions. Tomorrow, a weak cold front moves through. This brings in a few scattered showers, but no significant rainfall. And it is going to get very warm in the middle of this week. So we will reach near 90 on Wednesday and then the low 90s on Thursday. It also is going to be very humid on Thursday, so we are keeping an eye on those heat index values. A cold front moves through Thursday evening. It will drop the temperature a little bit for the weekend, but we will still be pretty warm in the 80s. So as for today, highs reach the mid 80s with sunshine and just a slight breeze outside. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Veterans exposed to
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking sunshine expected for today with highs in the mid 80s. Let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing partly cloudy skies to start this morning, but sunshine will come in later on and we will really start to warm up. We are also going to remain dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and we are tracking dry conditions across our viewing area here for today. But there is the possibility to see a few showers coming in tonight and tomorrow due to a weak cold front moving through, but no significant rain is expected at this time. And today is going to be pretty pleasant with just a slight breeze coming out of the southwest. According to our sky watchers, we are cooler to start this morning. We have 56 degrees in Old Forge, 57 degrees in Westdale, and 60 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 59 degrees in Milford, Hartwick, and Emerson this morning, but we will reach the mid 80s today. Due to that weak cold front that is moving through for tomorrow, we will drop in temperature just a little bit, but we really start to get hot again heading into Wednesday and even Thursday. It also is going to be very humid on Thursday, so heat index values are looking to be pretty high. We are keeping an eye out on that. A cold front moves through Thursday evening, bringing some thunderstorms, but that will only drop the temperature a little bit. We'll still be in the 80s over the weekend. So we are going to be a little bit muggy for today and tomorrow. It gets more comfortable heading into Wednesday due to that cold front that is going to move through tomorrow, bringing in a few scattered showers. But ahead of our second cold front on Thursday, it does look to get humid Thursday and Friday until the cold front passes through. But today is going to be very, very pleasant. Great day to grill, spend some time outside. Same thing for Wednesday. It's going to be a pretty nice day as well. I would just say maybe for tomorrow, just due to those scattered showers that are possible due to that cold front. Let's look at everything on our Skycast. As for today, we are tracking sunshine and high temperatures in the mid 80s. It is just going to feel a little bit muggy outside and a slight breeze coming out of the southwest. Tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover, a few scattered showers possible overnight. Not getting too chilly as well. Overnight lows will be in the 60s. As for tomorrow, scattered showers are possible in the morning and early afternoon hours. Looks to dry out by the evening, but high temperatures only reaching the upper 70s. We will fully dry out for Wednesday. It will get warmer once again on Wednesday with sunshine and high temperatures in the upper 80s. As for today, though, high temperatures look to be in the mid 80s. We are tracking sunny skies and just a slight breeze outside. Tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover with a few scattered showers coming in overnight due to that cold front that is moving through. Scattered showers are possible tomorrow morning and afternoon. It will be a little bit cooler, but still feeling pretty muggy. We get hot on Wednesday and even warmer on Thursday before a cold front moves through. That cold front will bring some scattered thunderstorms Thursday evening into Friday. We cool down just a little bit for the weekend.
Reporting from Kentucky. Now let's get a first look at our forecast. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans. And Hannah, what a gorgeous day it is outside so far.
Yes, we are tracking partly cloudy skies for most of us, and temperatures at this point are in the upper 70s and low 80s. Let's take a look at our Mesonet cameras across New York State. Once again, tracking partly cloudy skies. It is a beautiful day to spend outside. Just a little bit muggy today with dew point values in the lower 60s, so not feeling too bad. And there's a slight breeze outside. It will remain muggy tomorrow as a cold front moves through, but getting more comfortable on Wednesday ahead of another cold front on Thursday. It does look to get very humid and hot on Thursday. Today is going to be a pleasant day, though, so make sure you spend some time outside, do any yard work or whatever. A few showers are possible as we head into tomorrow. No significant rain is expected at this time. We are just tracking a few scattered showers, especially in the earlier parts of the day. And once again, very hot weather returns for Wednesday Wednesday and Thursday with highs near and in the low 90s. As for today, though, we will just hit the mid 80s for the high temperature. We are tracking sunshine and a little bit of a breeze, and I will be talking a little bit more about the warmer weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The New York City Health
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking a very pleasant afternoon and evening with high temperatures expecting to reach the mid 80s. Let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing partly cloudy skies, a beautiful day outside today. Once again, at this point, temperatures are in the upper 70s to low 80s, and we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking to remain dry for the rest of this day, with the next chance of rain looking to be tonight and into tomorrow due to another cold front moving through. But as for today, just a slight breeze, a little bit muggy, and beautiful sunny skies. According to our sky watchers, at this point, we are in the 70s to 80s. We have 73 degrees in Old Forge, 83 degrees in Gray, and 78 degrees in Cassville this afternoon. We will rise just a little bit more to high temperatures in the mid 80s. Heading into tomorrow, a cold front moves through in the morning. That will only bring the high up to the upper 70s for tomorrow, but we do start to get hot on Wednesday and Thursday. Especially on Thursday, we are going to be tracking the heat indexes. They could be pretty high because it does also get humid with those high temperatures in the low 90s. A cold front moves through Thursday evening, bringing in some thunderstorms, dropping the temperature to the 80s for the weekend, but still looking to remain pretty warm over the weekend. So today, not expecting any rain showers, but a cold front that is going to be weaker moves through tonight, bringing in just a few scattered showers for tomorrow, especially earlier on in the day. We do look to dry out by tomorrow evening, remaining dry on Wednesday, and on Thursday, scattered thunderstorms are possible in the evening due to a stronger cold front moving through. So if you did want to spend some time outside, I would definitely say yes for today, maybe for tomorrow, just due to those scattered showers in the morning and early afternoon. And yes, once again on Wednesday, sunshine returns with dry weather. Let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. We are tracking partly cloudy skies, and we are tracking just a slight breeze outside. High temperatures are looking to reach the mid 80s this afternoon and into the evening. Tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover. A few scattered showers do look to come in overnight, and that will last through the morning and early afternoon hours of tomorrow. Looking to clear out by the evening, but high temperatures only reaching the upper 70s. Heading into Wednesday, we do start to warm up a little bit more. Partly cloudy skies are expected once again Wednesday, with high temperatures reaching the mid to upper 80s. As for today, our high temperatures are going to reach the mid 80s. Just a slight breeze outside. It is feeling a little bit muggy too, so it is feeling a little bit warmer. Tonight, we will only drop into the mid to upper 60s, and a few showers are possible ahead of a cold front moving through. As for tomorrow, the cold front is on the weaker side, so a few scattered showers are expected, especially earlier on in the day tomorrow. A little bit cooler with highs in the upper 70s. Sunshine comes back in for Wednesday along with dry conditions. Highs are going to be in the upper 80s, starting to warm up a little bit more. As we head into Thursday, it is going to get very hot and humid. We are keeping an eye on the heat index values. Scattered thunderstorms are looking to come in Thursday evening and lingering into Friday. We'll be right back.
at the weather in this half hour. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking a pretty nice day across central New York today with partly cloudy skies, and temperatures right now are reaching the low 80s. Let's take a look, though, at our Mesonet cameras across central New York. Once again, tracking partly cloudy skies, a beautiful day to spend some time outside. It is going to get a little bit warmer, and it is feeling just a little bit muggy with our dew point values reaching the low 60s. It will continue to be muggy for tomorrow as a cold front moves through, bringing some showers, but we do get nice and comfortable on Wednesday. Dry weather comes back in, and ahead of another cold front moving through Thursday, it does really start to get humid, and it gets very hot on Thursday. But today is a pleasant day. Make sure you spend some time outside. Highs are going to reach the mid-80s. A few showers are possible tomorrow due to a weaker cold front that is moving through. No significant rain is expected at this time. And as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, it really does start to get warmer with highs reaching near and in the low 90s. As for today, though, we will be in the mid-80s with sunshine and a slight breeze outside, and I will be talking about that warmer weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking a pretty nice afternoon and evening with highs expecting to reach the mid-80s. Let's take a look now at the Mirabaud Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing partly cloudy skies. Beautiful conditions today. It is nice and warm with temperatures at this point reaching the lower 80s. And on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions for today. It is looking to remain dry today with a few scattered showers starting to come in tonight and into tomorrow due to a weaker cold front moving through. But as for today, a beautiful afternoon, a little bit of a breeze, and sunshine is expected. According to our sky watchers, we are in the upper 70s to low 80s. We have 83 degrees in Gray, 78 degrees in Cassville, and 75 degrees in Otsego already here at noon. We will reach the mid-80s today, and we will cool down a little bit tomorrow as a cold front moves through in the morning. Highs are just going to reach the upper 70s. But we do get very warm once again, starting to come in on Wednesday. We will be in the upper 80s and in the low 90s on Thursday. It also is going to be very, very humid, so we are keeping an eye for heat index values on Thursday. A cold front moves through Thursday evening. That brings in a few thunderstorms, cools us down a little bit for the weekend, but still pretty warm with highs in the 80s. As for today, once again, we are looking to remain dry. A few scattered showers come in tonight and into early tomorrow, looking to dry out by tomorrow evening, and no significant rainfall is expected at this time. It does look to be brief and just a few scattered showers. Dry once again for Wednesday. Another great day on Wednesday. It is just going to be a little bit warm. But on Thursday, it is going to be very hot, and scattered thunderstorms look to come in Thursday evening. So if you did want to spend some time outside, I would definitely say yes for today and Wednesday, and just a maybe for Tuesday due to those scattered showers. Let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. As for this afternoon, we are tracking high temperatures to reach the mid-80s, a slight breeze outside, and it is just a little bit muggy, but we are seeing sunshine, a beautiful afternoon. Tonight, we will see an increase in cloud cover. A few scattered showers are possible. That will last into the morning and afternoon hours of tomorrow. We do look to kind of start to dry out tomorrow evening. Temperatures only reaching the upper 70s. Heading into Wednesday, we really start to warm up again. We will be seeing dry conditions with partly cloudy skies and highs reaching the mid to upper 80s once again. As for today, mid to upper 80s for the high temperature. A slight breeze outside with sunshine and warmth. A nice summer afternoon. Tonight, we will not be getting as cool. An overnight low just in the mid to upper 60s with a few showers possibly coming in overnight. But as for tomorrow, a weaker cold front moves through, bringing in some showers in the morning and afternoon. We dry out into Wednesday. We start to get warm, getting very hot and humid on Thursday, bringing in some thunderstorms Thursday evening. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some dog.
Meteorologist Bill Cardis in the Weather Center getting us ready for another work week here, and we're starting off a little bit, unsettled.
Yeah, we actually could use rain. We've been running behind with rainfall totals. We'll get a little bit of rain tonight, tomorrow. I don't really think it's going to be enough to make a difference here. Current temperature is 85. It's warm. It's also a little muggy. Dew point's up to 59. That's not high. Remember, you want to look at the dew point, not the relative humidity. That says only 41%, but that's relative to the air temperature. So as it cools off this evening, the relative humidity will go up, even though it's not going to feel any more humid later this evening. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet. Our weather headlines: it's mild, it's muggy tonight. A few showers will be around tonight and into Tuesday. But again, the rainfall totals look generally light. The humidity, the heat start cranking up as we head later into this week. We are tracking some hot temperatures here. This evening, pleasant. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Again, tracking some showers here tonight and tomorrow. Look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
With days to go before the August reset.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Welcome back. A beautiful day across the region. Very warm. A lot of places climbing into the mid-80s this afternoon. Let's take a live look outside. Just a few fair weather clouds as we look at our CAVV tower cam to the south. We're looking over the city of Utica, and again, just a nice day. We're looking at dry conditions. It stays dry this evening, but we are tracking a few showers overnight as we take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Doing some gardening over the next couple of days. You'll need to continue to water the garden. It's been generally dry this summer, especially the last couple of weeks. Looks like we are going to still have to water the garden tomorrow, even though we have rain in the forecast. It's not until Friday that we expect to see some widespread soaking rain. Temperatures this evening, again, very warm. Whitesboro 86, Westmoreland 84 degrees, Deansboro 84, Big Moose 75. Across Southern Valleys, Sherburne 86, Skinevus 85, and Norwich checking in with 82 degrees. A little more comfortable to take the dog out later this evening compared to this afternoon. Kind of a warm day. Temperatures will be settling back into the low 80s to upper 70s. Tonight's featured dog is Emmett from Herkimer. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. The radar satellite image shows clouds and showers approaching from the west. This is a cold front that'll be rolling through. This rolls through early tomorrow morning. Severe weather is not expected with this. In fact, I think we won't even get any thunder. Looking at slightly cooler weather here for Tuesday into Tuesday afternoon. But the cold weather, or at least the cooler weather, I should say, doesn't last. We're into the mid-80s on Wednesday. 90 degrees in the forecast for Thursday. And we're going to get into a very warm and humid weather pattern as we head throughout the week. Looking at our Stern Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, a couple of showers arrive. Overnight lows drop down only into the mid-60s, so a good night to run the fan or the air conditioner. Tomorrow, a generally cloudy day, especially in the morning time. Temperatures climb into the 70s, so it'll be noticeably cooler. We'll have some showers around early in the day, and then we'll get a chance to dry out. Clearing out tomorrow night, overnight lows drop down into the 50s, and then Wednesday, a warm day. Sunshine, winds turn into the south. It's going to allow for temperatures to climb into the mid-80s. Rainfall totals tomorrow, very light. While we have some rain in the forecast, we're not really expecting much across the area. Passing shower tonight, low of 66. Showers around early tomorrow, noticeably cooler compared to today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Stern Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Hot and humid as we head throughout the week. Temperatures in the low 90s Thursday. A generally unsettled weather pattern. We're talking about the hit or miss storms that we're typically seeing in the summertime. We really could use the rain. We're going to look in a few minutes at the month of July, the rainfall totals compared to last July.
Hit or miss, in other words, don't go changing your plans.
Right.
Because you see it on the 7-day.
Exactly.
All right, Bill, thank you.
Thank you, Bill. Every child.
And the damage and death toll continues to climb in Kentucky tonight. Dozens of communities washed away by historic flooding across the state.
And forecasters warn more rain and excessive heat could be on the way. Here's Jay Gray.
The search and recovery continues across Kentucky right now in communities ravaged by historic flooding.
Houses swept away for miles. They don't know where some parts of people's houses are. Schools, both in Perry and in Knott County, just ruined.
The damage is overwhelming.
It doesn't bother me because there's nothing else left for us to lose. We've lost 4 houses, a couple of vehicles, all our farm equipment. I mean, technically, there's nothing else left for us to lose.
Still, there is an even greater loss here. These 4 siblings, pulled from their mother's arms by rushing waters, are among more than 30 dead. The governor warning that number is likely to grow.
There are hundreds of unaccounted for people minimum, and we just don't have a firm grasp on that. I wish we did.
For those able to escape the rising waters,
we're people who are hurting and trying to survive together.
So many, like Amanda Hall, getting out with just the clothes on their backs, unable to get back into their neighborhoods and unsure of what comes next.
I was told my home's gone. My new home I just bought for my 4 children's gone. So I had to start from scratch all over again.
And as the state continues to struggle, forecasters warn more rain could be on the way. Jay Gray, NBC News.
Let's get you back to the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Talking rainfall, my yard is dry, and if my yard's dry where I am, it's got to be a mess everywhere else too.
Yeah, and that's what our July's been looking like so far. It's been so different compared to last year. Last year, it seemed like we couldn't buy a dry day. We had almost twice as much rain last year compared to this year. Griffiths and Rome measuring 4.25 inches of rain, but I looked at some of the New York State Mesonet totals. We have more weather stations around here besides Rome, and the totals range from 2 to about 5 inches. So it's going to be highly localized. That's just the nature of weather, especially in the summertime. But as far as we look back at the month of July talking about temperatures, it's been warm, at least the last couple of weeks. We started out on a cool note. The first week and a half of July was cooler than average, and then it got pretty hot here, especially heading into the end of the month. And as we look ahead to August, things are trending hot and dry, so it's not looking great for area lawns and the water table. But again, we are talking about some hot weather here later this week. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Head of Open.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Very pleasant weather this evening. It's a warm evening, but we've been enjoying plenty of sunshine. The humidity not too bad. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cooperstown camera. A lovely evening here. Plenty of sunshine. We're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight. A couple of showers will be returning to the area late tonight and into early tomorrow. We really do need the rain. It's been very dry lately. Unfortunately, tomorrow's rain is not going to cut it. It's not going to put a big dent in the rainfall deficit that we've been accumulating. Live look at the Yorkville Boundary Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is looking quiet. Heading to the Otsego County Fair tomorrow. We're looking at some showers in the morning, drier weather in the afternoon, temperatures in the 70s. Fairly comfortable tomorrow temperature-wise. Could give the air conditioner a little bit of a break tomorrow, but it will be coming in handy if you have it, especially Wednesday and Thursday. We're talking about temperatures that are likely close to 90 degrees here as we head into the end of the week. Looking to get outside and enjoy the nice weather and enjoy the summertime. Tomorrow it's going down as a maybe. Again, some showers around early. Wednesday looks to be the most outdoor-friendly day. Thursday, in addition to the heat, we have the chance of a few thunderstorms later in the day. Our sky watchers checking in this evening. Barneveld 82 degrees, West Leyden 80. Norway, Donna checks in with 80 degrees. Jeff and Mohawk 83. Across the southern valleys, Ted Morris 82 degrees. Harry and Otsego 84. Lyman and Eaton 85. And MJ in Sequoia with 81. High pressure in control of our weather for today. This is going to head to the east. And behind it, we have a weak cold front. This produces a few light rain showers as we head into the day tomorrow and a drop in the temperature. Tomorrow we're into the upper 70s, but that cool weather really doesn't last. We're going to heat things up again as we get into the end of the week. Temperatures close to 90 again by Thursday. A few passing showers are possible late tonight and early tomorrow. 7 a.m. a cloudy, generally gloomy start to the day, but the clouds don't last all day. We should see some breaks in the sunshine in the afternoon and early evening. Noticeably cooler with temperatures in the 70s. Skies clear out tomorrow night, allowing for temperatures to fall into the 50s. And then we're back to sunshine on Wednesday and warmer temperatures. Temperatures look to climb into the low to mid 80s. A passing shower overnight, low of 66. Brief shower tomorrow morning. And the clouds linger into the early part of the afternoon, and then we'll see some sunshine, a high of 78. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Hot as we head into Thursday, 92 degrees. Scattered showers and storms expected Friday. We're dry on Saturday. It's hot, humid heading into the weekend. More shower chances heading into Sunday and Monday. We're tracking rainfall amounts for tomorrow coming up at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
With Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Turning out to be a beautiful day here in central New York. Nice and warm. Temperatures in the mid 80s this afternoon. Our current temperature is 85. There's a slight notice to the humidity, too. It is muggy out there. Dew point's up to 60. Remember, we go by dew point, not relative humidity, 43%. Remember, it's relative to the air temperature. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things look dry, and we will stay dry this evening. However, some showers do arrive tonight. We really could use the rain. We're not expecting much, but we do have some showers in store for Tuesday. Hot weather is on the horizon. We're expecting temperatures to soar as we head into the middle and end of the week, likely being above 90. This evening, pleasant temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. We are tracking those showers as we head into early tomorrow, along with that warm up in the temperature. Look at that forecast coming out. Jason, back to you.
Drone Camp is back.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A warm afternoon across central New York. Temperatures climbing into the mid-80s in many areas. We're expecting a break in the heat tomorrow, but we do have more on the way, especially later in the week. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavy Tower Cam. We're overlooking the city of Utica. A very pretty picture here. We have some fair weather cumulus clouds. We stay dry this evening, so if you're looking to get out, grab an ice cream, it's great weather for that. As a live look at the Yorkville Battery, Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar, things are looking quiet. Also a great evening to watch the International Space Station. We have partly cloudy skies, so it's not going to be a completely clear night, but should be a nice night. Comfortable to watch this. The local flyby is 9:06. It's in the sky, visible locally for 6 minutes, and it makes a relatively high pass in the horizon, about 36 degrees. Looking at the calendar here, it looks like we are going to lose the view of the International Space Station as we head into the middle of August. So take advantage of this. We have viewing tonight and then also possible on Wednesday before it looks like we won't be able to see this for a little while. It's been very dry lately. Comparing this July to last July, it's been completely opposite in terms of rainfall. We've had between about 2 to 4 inches of rain throughout the month of July. That's about half of what we typically get. Average rainfall is around 4.5 inches. Last July, we had more than 7 inches of rain. So if you are needing to water the garden, you're going to have to do that for the next several days here. We don't have any significant rain in the forecast until the end of the week, and even then it's questionable. Heading out to the Otsego County Fair, it begins tomorrow with some showers in the morning, but we do dry out in the afternoon. Temperatures will be in the 70s, so we do get a break from air conditioner worthy weather tomorrow, but it's going to get hot again towards the end of the week. Temperatures will be above average here. In fact, close to 90 looking ahead to Thursday. Skywatchers this evening, Barneveld 82 degrees, West Leyden 80 degrees, in the 70s in the Adirondacks, Old Forge and Inlet. Mohawk, Jeff checks in with 83. Across Southern Valleys, Richfield 86 degrees, and Edmonston with 81. We do have high pressure in control of our weather today, but there's going to be a weak cold front that catches up with us tomorrow. You can see it to the west. A few scattered showers are in the forecast with that as it rolls through the region. And it really doesn't cool us off very much. Tomorrow we're in the upper 70s, but the heat returns. Again, a 90-degree day on Thursday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. A few showers arrive after midnight, and they linger into tomorrow morning. Cloudy skies tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Temperatures start out mild. It's going to be a pretty warm night. Clouds give way to sunshine as we get into the afternoon, but again, a few showers around early. Tomorrow night, skies clear out. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s, so pretty comfortable. And Wednesday, we start to warm up. Clouds give way to sunshine with temperatures climbing back into the 80s. Really not much rainfall expected tonight and tomorrow. Those showers really not providing the relief that we need from this dry weather. Passing shower tonight, low of 66. Tomorrow, scattered showers in the morning. Will dry out in the afternoon. High of 78. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. 85 Wednesday, partly sunny. Hot Thursday, some hit or miss showers and storms, 92. Widespread rain showers Friday, 82. And then the heat is back. Temperatures in the upper 80s Saturday and Sunday. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6, the Utica Comets. Time now for our first look at the forecast tonight. Let's go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking a few showers as we head into late tonight and early tomorrow. We're talking about rainfall statistics here. We've had a very dry July, especially compared to last year. Rainfall from Griffiths and Rome about 4.25 inches. That, on paper, is close to average. When we look at a lot of other weather stations locally, many areas getting about 2 to 4 inches, so they came in a lot lower. In comparison to last year, Griffiths and Rome, 7.7 inches of rain, 22 days with rainfall. So it is a lot drier this year compared to last year. We do have some rain in the forecast, a little bit of rain tonight and tomorrow. It's not going to be enough to make any big difference. We are looking at a generally dry weather pattern ahead. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's pretty mild outside. It's 75 degrees. The dew point's up to 63, so it feels muggy, and it will be muggy tonight. Temperatures climb into the 70s tomorrow. Cool day, but it is looking hot as we head into the end of the week. Temperatures back into the low 90s by Thursday. Tonight, low temperatures in the mid-60s, a few showers late. We are tracking how much rain we do get. And a look at that hot weather ahead. forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, attorneys.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cavie Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Pretty warm night out there. We are seeing some cloud cover starting to roll in, and from those clouds, a couple of showers approaching from the west. We have one area out near Rochester. We have some thunderstorms that are out near Buffalo. By the time these get here, we're expecting that this just brings a brief showers to the region. So going to bed tonight, just something to keep in mind. If you have anything outside that you don't want to get wet, you might want to bring that in tonight. Going to bed tonight, also too, the fan, the air conditioner coming in handy. It's a pretty warm night across the area, but we will cool off. Temperatures get down into the mid-60s. It's going to take a little while to cool off the house, so the fan, the air conditioner can certainly help if you have that. Otsego County Fair kicking off tomorrow. Some showers in the morning, dry weather in the afternoon. Cooler than today, temperatures in the 70s. It will feel muggy tomorrow. Looking at dew points in the mid-60s. The humidity drops for Wednesday, so even though Wednesday's warmer, it'll feel more comfortable. Downright humid Thursday. In addition to the humidity, we'll have high levels of heat. Temperatures likely in the low 90s. Radar and satellite image shows a weak cold front approaching from the west. This brings us some showers to the area tomorrow. Not a whole lot of rain is expected with this. Those showers will be approaching the area overnight. Temperatures drop down into the mid-60s. 7 a.m. tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a gloomy start to the day, but we should see some breaks of sunshine later in the day after a round of some morning showers. Temperatures climb into the low to mid-70s. Tomorrow night, skies clear out. We'll drop down into the 50s. And Wednesday, the weather is looking nice. Clouds give way to sunshine. Noticeably warmer. Temperatures climb into the mid-80s. Rainfall tonight, rainfall tomorrow. On the light side, I think, in fact, some of us may not get much at all. Just a few brief showers here across the area. We're not expecting a lot of rainfall. We really could use it, like mentioned earlier. We are running behind on rainfall, and with hot weather in the forecast, things are going to dry out pretty quickly. Passing shower tonight, low of 66. Tomorrow, showers in the morning. Temperatures climb into the mid to upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine on Wednesday, 85. Hot, humid Thursday. Some thunderstorms possible late in the day, 92 for the high. Widespread showers and storms Friday, 82. It's a dry start to the weekend. We're 86 on Saturday. Scattered storms Sunday, 87. And a little bit cooler on Monday with some showers and temperatures near 80. We'll be right back.
Forecast tonight. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, we're tracking some light rain showers tonight and tomorrow. We could really use the rain. We have not had a whole lot of rain in the month of July, especially compared to last year. This stats comes from Griffiths out of Rome, 4.25 inches for the month of July, 14 days with rainfall. Compare that to last year where we had 7.7 inches of rain. We had 22 days with rain during the month of July of 2021. In general, looking at other weather stations in our area, the average rainfall was about 3 inches. So some places had as little as 2 inches of rain. So a lot of lawns are looking brown. And with some very warm weather in sight, it looks like that is going to continue. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet across the area. It's a warm night. Our current temperature is 74. It is also muggy, too, the dew point in the low 60s. We are tracking some warm weather. Tomorrow, we're in the upper 70s. That'll be the coolest day of the next 7. Temperatures back into the 90s again as we look ahead to Thursday. Showers late tonight, low of 66. We are tracking that heat and also the chance for some storms later in the week as well. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight,
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside overlooking the city of Utica. This is our Cavie Tower Cam. It's a warm night across central New York. Good night for the air conditioner. Things are looking pretty quiet, but we are tracking some clouds and a few showers to the west. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Even some thunderstorms taking place west near Buffalo. We're not expecting storms locally. By the time this heads in our direction and it gets here tomorrow morning, it's generally some scattered rain showers. Going to bed tonight, temperatures settle back into the mid-60s. Leave the windows open. Well, it's going to take a little while to cool off the house, so we recommend the fan or the air conditioner. We only drop back into the mid-60s tonight, and we'll feel muggy as the humidity stays relatively high. Going to the Otsego County Fair tomorrow, looking at some showers in the morning, temperatures in the mid-70s by the afternoon. The humidity is around tomorrow. It feels uncomfortable. It feels muggy. Wednesday feels comfortable. The humidity noticeably drops, but then it comes back in full force as we head into Thursday. A weak cold front approaches from the west tonight and early tomorrow. This gives us a few scattered showers. It's not a very big front, so they're not going to see a big drop in temperature to follow. Storm Tracker 2 skycast again. A couple of showers overnight and into tomorrow morning. 7 a.m., mostly cloudy. A gloomy start to the day, but we should see some breaks of sunshine as we head into the afternoon and early evening. Noticeably cooler with temperatures in the 70s. Skies do clear out tomorrow night. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s. And then Wednesday, we'll start out the day with some sunshine, and it looks like a nice day. Temperatures climb into the low to mid 80s. And again, low humidity along with sunshine. Now tomorrow, we're not expecting a whole lot of rain. Rainfall totals look to be very small amounts here. And again, like mentioned, we've been very dry in July. Really could use the rain. The next time we'll have any significant rain, anything meaningful, looks to be on Friday. Passing shower tonight, low of 66. Tomorrow, some showers in the morning, cloudy skies. We should see some sunshine in the afternoon, though, and cooler than today, highs in the upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Wednesday looks nice, but Thursday, the heat is back. We're looking at high temperatures in the low 90s. The heat index, factoring in the humidity, closer to 95 to 100 degrees. So, again, definitely want to take it easy Thursday afternoon. Some storms are possible. Widespread storms Friday. Temperatures remain on the warm side heading into the weekend. We'll be right back.